Where I'm from, manhood is defined by how you present yourself, whether or not you can defend yourself, not by the state of your mental health. We take pride in providing, and every now and then a little self-care, but we don't always think about our psychological welfare. And the rate of suicide among young men tells me it must be the same elsewhere. So to all my brothers that ever felt scared, held tears back because you didn't want to appear to crack and you didn't think the world cared. People care. I care. That's a lot to deal with, and in lockdown it can be a nightmare. So listen, take a second, just to check in on your brethren. Could be smiling, might be stressing, but a shoulder to lean on is always a blessing.